Hi everybody, it's Random Brendan, back at it again. It's another haul that's unboxing. Woo! Cringy, all this stuff. Like I said, keep saying cringy. Could be all cringy probably, because I am a cringy dude. Whee! If you hear anything, it's probably my dog. Dogs barking or something. They're right next to me. But anyway, here we go. As you probably didn't see, and you see from the title, it's Verizon, probably phone related if you haven't guessed so far. So let's get to it. Let's get out the first product. It is the iPhone X 10, the iPhone X. No, the iPhone 10, whatever you want to call it. The 250 gigs. 56 gigs, sorry, 6 gigs off. But anyway, there we go. And let's open it up. See what you get. Designed by Apple in California. Woo! And let me get the phone out. Yeah, the big old phone. As you can see, already set up. As I had to set it up because this is my only phone I have active and usable, so I had to use it and open it up and everything. Woo! And see what else in the box, as you probably already know. The brick, charging brick. The bad headphones. Never liked this headphone, never will, never was. The dongle, which some people agree is a bad thing. A lot of people say it's a bad thing that we have to use a dongle. So I thought somebody was at my house. Sorry about that. Anyway, that, and then power cable for the brick. Always could have another one. I already have a lot of those, but that. All right, now let's see the phone a little bit. As you can see. Swipe up, let me do my ID and then swipe up the home screen. You can see all my apps on it. I like to put my apps in folders and have them all organized like that. And then you can swipe up. See all the apps that are out. See that I'm watching YouTube, and you can scroll up, do that, and now you can click on one. So just click on that, the game, and open it up like the iPhone. Unlock it, I actually unlocked it, and then to get out of it, just swipe up again, like you all know. If you want more detail, get it, swipe down to the top left, go there. Swipe down to get notification. Go back to the screen, notifications. Swipe down to get search bar and everything. And then hold the power button to get Siri, which I'm not using. Yeah. Copyright. I don't want copyright. Copyright. We don't want copyright. Well, whatever. You may have heard that song. That's that. Let's see what my next thing I got. Put that all up to the side. And I got a wireless charger. You need a wireless charger to get an iPhone X. So let's see the wireless charger. Got only one because I only need one in my room. Oh, it's that nice one. Just put my iPhone on it like this, and you look it. You got it in text and whatever. Doesn't matter. Don't need that text. And then inside you got the instructions. Don't need the instructions. And we got the power cable that you can take off and hook up to it. I think hooks up, yeah, hooks up right here. And that's that. And that don't need FaceTime. So, put that to the side. Let's move these two sides so it doesn't stay in the video or whatnot. It doesn't matter. Not as big as the table. And with that to the side, because you still need that probably. Get that for later. But right now, you got screen protector. All you need is screen protector. I've already put one on, but if you know a screen protector, technically the regular screen protector that we all know, but for X, so I'm not going to really open that. You can watch the back. It's a glass one. Screen protector, a nice one. Oh, now I got this one, which is a life-proof case. Got this one because I like clear and I like to see the back of it, the color of it. And let me put it in. If I can't even open it. Because this one is hard to open. This case right here is hard to open. Come on. Come on. I don't want to break it. Yes, finally got it. I don't think I broke it, scratched it or anything. Just need to get this off. And now, put that in the correct spot. Tight fit. Come on. Got that in. And now, hook it, close it with this. And now it looks like this. But it's not that bad. Looks like really a good one. Not bad, you can see through it. You can still use it as wireless charging and everything. So, last but not least is this power charger. I had a bundle that came with all the accessories and the power charger for free. They were like good price, so I got them all. This is a 6,000 milliamp battery, as you can see probably, or maybe a little bit too small, but now you can probably see. And let me get this out if I can. And it comes in some Mophie one. Another Mophie. Mophie makes good products. I can power all your devices with this, but I wouldn't power anything but my phone with it. Maybe something small like a tablet. Maybe a tablet. Phone and tablet. I wouldn't power anything else. Comes with the charging kit. Charges with a USB-C. I think, or USB mini. No, USB mini, not C. Sorry. And then you can charge your phone through this. And you turn on, or you charge the iPhone with this. That's interesting. That's nice to know. Charge your phone like that. And how I know it's on. Let me see. There's a power that tells you how much power you have. Okay. I don't see anything that tells you how much power you have. Which is means I don't like that much. Is it even on? Ah, there you go. That's where you turn it on. There's a button right here, as you can probably see, and an indicator right there, where my hand is, as you can see. And it turns on. Not the best, because you have to angle it and everything. Oh, wait. You can do it like that. You can do it like, have it like that, so it's a little bit better on the ground and everything, as you can see. Well, love this iPhone, as I've been playing it for like a couple of days. And let me see if I can take that out and put that back in, like so. And it comes in like this. Not that heavy, not that big. Good size for your phone. I just love this phone. This phone is so good, as you can see. Ah, I got an email. Email, everything. And you can watch videos on it. It turn on. Can see. An iPhone X, an accessory unboxing from Lamar Wilson. Woo! And all that stuff. I just open one for 2 seconds. Let's open up another iPhone X one. Dumb ad. We don't want ads. And you can see they cut off a little bit the black because of the notch. But the screen is pretty big. There are people who hate the notch, there are people who like the notch, but I am one of the person who doesn't mind the notch. Yeah, so cameras are fun. Let me take a selfie. Let me take a selfie. One of those fancy selfies. Yeah. And one of the other fancy ones. And as you can see, you see me, a portrait, and another one. A nice thing. They do a nice one. So I have a review, my review on the 10 out in like a couple of weeks or so. Going to how it goes and everything, because I'm looking for a job, and I may be getting a new job in a couple of weeks, so I may get delayed for a little bit. So anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and tell me why you like the iPhone XS, and if you have one, and what apps you use, because I may need to add some new apps on it in the comment below. And if you want more, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye!